Yes. Hello everyone. Hope you are doing well. Hello. Yes. Please confirm whether my voice is audible or not. Hello. Am I audible? Yes. Everyone, please comment in the chat section. Okay. Okay. So very good evening to all, and this is the day two of ethical hacking workshop, and we are going to start right now. Okay. Yes. So we will wait one more minute for so that other people can join. Right. So after that we will start shortly. Okay. Yes. So please let me know whether you have joined yesterday's session or not. Yes or no, everyone. Please type yes or no in chat box. Join yesterday's session or not, because this session will be very practical, and it will be very useful to you all. Okay. Yes. Great. So many of you are joined yesterday's session, right? Yes. Yeah. So we will be starting it right now. So once again, very good evening to all, and this is Sandeep from TechnoHacks. And the founder and CEO of TechnoHacks Solutions Private Limited. Okay. Yes. Okay. So we will be starting right now. And very first time, welcome you all. Welcome to the TechnoHacks Solutions Private Limited. Okay. And as you all know, we are here for ethical hacking practical workshop day two. This is a day two, right? Yes. So let me just introduce with contents of the today's session. Okay, so what we are going to cover today. So first of all, we will see digital forensic investigation, right? What is digital forensic investigation? Then what are the steps? Then tools? Then what are the legal entities of the digital forensic investigations? Right. So we will cover that. After that, we will be seeing some investigation tools, techniques. Then we will be moving forward to the live practical of the ethical hacking. Okay. After that, we will be seeing dark web, deep web, and surface web. Okay, so this will be our next topic, and after that we will see roadmap to learn hacking. Right? Yes. So after that, we'll be seeing CS certification guidance and syllabus, and after that we will see internship and job opportunities in ethical hacking. Right? So. What about the today's content, guys? Do you like it? Yes or no, everyone? Please reply in chat box. Do you like? What about the today's contents? Interesting or not? Please reply in the chat box so that we can make this session very interactive. Right? Interesting or not, sir? Like it? Okay. Great. So we will be covering, and yes, great. Thank you so much for your reply, guys. Be interactive, and also focus on session. Okay. So some common instructions are that this language will be Hindi plus English. Okay. So I'll be explaining English plus Hindi. तो हम हिंदी में भी थोड़ा बहुत cover करेंगे इसको. ठीक है. So some of people I'm getting message that they are not able to understand properly pure English. So we will be continue with this session in Hindi plus English language. Okay, so सबको मंजूर है? Okay, yeah. So please ask your all queries in Q&A session. तो लास्ट में हम Q&A session लेंगे, वहां पे आप अपनी queries जो है वो कर सकते हैं. ठीक है? Yes, brute force we are going to cover today. No worries. After that, certificate will be given to them, to those who will attend both sessions, yesterday's and today. Okay, and fill the attendance form. Okay, attendance form is compulsory, guys, and certificate will be given to you tomorrow. Okay, and there is certificate will be for free of cost. Okay, after that, attendance form will be sent to you at the end of this session. Okay. So please don't rush up for the attendance link. Okay, I will be sharing after this session, and this session is more beginner friendly, as I already mentioned yesterday. Right. So those who are expert in ethical hacking, this session is not for them. Okay. So they can leave this session. Don't worry, because this is more about beginners. Okay. Yes. So we will be starting. So what is digital forensics? So digital forensic is a process of storing, analyzing, retrieving, and preserving the electronic data that may be useful in an investigation. इन शॉर्ट, अगर हम इसको सीधी बात में समझाना चाहेंगे, तो जो भी क्राइम होता है, डिजिटल क्राइम होता है, साइबर क्राइम होता है, उसमें जो इन्वेस्टिगेटर्स होते हैं, राइट, वो जो इन्वेस्टिगेटर्स होते हैं ना, तो उनको जो चीजें मतलब जो भी चीजें मिलती है वहां से, तो उनको किस तरह से उनमें से सबूत निकालते हैं, वो हाउ दे एक्सट्रैक्ट द इंफॉर्मेशन फ्रॉम देम, राइट, एंड हाउ दे यूज टू प्रूव इट इन अ कोर्ट. ओके, सो if anyone from you is want to be as a career as a digital forensic expert, okay, so this session will be very very informative for you. Okay. Yes. Okay. So don't worry, guys. Let me please tell you. Yesterday's practical will be repeated today. Don't worry about it. Okay. We'll be seeing OTP bypass, and also we will be seeing brute force attack. Okay. Yes. So what are the digital forensic types? Okay. So there are types in digital forensics like database forensics, forensic data analysis, computer forensics, mobile device forensics, network forensics. So there are many types, but we will cover some of types. Okay. So what is the process behind the digital forensics? Because this is not about the just taking evidence and extracting information from that. No, there are several steps, and these steps to need to be very careful about the those steps, and follow each and every step is compulsory in digital forensic process. Okay, so first of all is the identification means what? If you go to the crime scene, right, for example, so let me just explain you with a live example, right? So, for example, one crime scene is there, right? Crime scene, and you go as a forensic investigator at that spot, right? And you see that there is a mobile phone, there is a laptop also, right? There is a CCTV camera. Okay, so you will see which of the tools can be helpful to investigate the case, right? So this is called as a identification. Okay, so you will identify which are the useful tools to investigate. So this is the first step of identifying, right? Then you identify which are the tools are useful. Okay. Yes. Yeah. After that, we will be seeing preservation. Preservation means what? Maintaining the integrity of evidence. Maintaining integrity of evidence means what? If you found a mobile phone or if you found a pen drive, right? So it's your responsibility to maintain the integrity. Integrity means what? Change in information. Change in information. So you need to keep it secure so that no information can be destroyed from this pen drive. Right. So this is also should be taken care of. So this is the very important part, which is preservation. So you need to preserve, you need to store it. Okay. So it's called as a preservation. Okay. After that, analysis is there. Determine the results accuracy. So analysis is what? So you come to home, and then you connect it to your laptop PC, right? And you analyze that data. Okay, so it's called as a analysis. Okay, then we can say another part, which is a documentation. Okay, so there is another documentation which you needs to be everything should be noted and in an official document. So we will be covering that a legal part. It's called as a chain of custody. Chain of custody is what? Chain of custody is a document which can be used for the entire forensic process, digital forensic process, so that all steps and information can be written in here, in that. Okay. Yes. Yeah. So here you can see this is the documentation part. Okay, after that you need to presentation means what? You need to present all of your documents, evidences, or your analysis, your report in court, right? So that you can summarize it and present the whatever insight you bring from that evidences, so that you can present to the court and it can be used as a evidence to any crime cases, right? So this is the all process of the digital forensics. Is it clear to you guys? Yes or no, everyone? If it is clear, please type clear in chat box. If no, then please type no, everyone, so that we can proceed further, or I can repeat. Okay. Okay, समझ में आ गया सबको? क्लियर है? क्लियर? किस किस को जॉब इंटरेस्टिंग लग रहा है? Who want to be a digital forensic expert? Who want to be work with the police? Who want to work with the cybercrime experts? Yes, please type me in a chat box so that we can proceed further to the roadmap and everything. We will just see who is interested. Analysis part is extracting information from from that. So there are many tools which can be used in a analysis of that information. Okay, so we will be covering tools. Don't worry, guys. Yeah, great, great, great. Okay, yes. So next part, common forensic tools. So we will be covering some common forensic tools which can be used in forensic investigation. So first is a FTK imager. So what is the FTK imager? FTK imager is a tool which can be used for imaging purpose. So what is imaging first? Okay, so if you found one pen drive, right? For example, if you found one pen drive, okay, and in that pen drive, you cannot use it directly and connect it to your computer. Why? Because data can be get corrupted, data can be get erased, so that you can make a duplicate copy of that pen drive, duplicate virtual copy of that pen drive, so that you can analyze, you can do your research on that duplicate pen drive. So real pen drive and duplicate pen drive will be same, and that exactly thing done using FTK imager. So you create a virtual image file of that physical pen drive, so that you can use it to the investigation purpose. There is no difference between real pen drive and virtual pen drive. Okay, both will be same. So this is the work of FTK imager. So let me just show you how FTK imager looks like. Okay, so we will not cover that because we have lot more to cover that. I'm just showing you FTK imager. This is the FTK imager. You can see, guys. Yes. So whatever so this is the FTK imager. So you can just image mounting, add evidence. You can just add evidence items, physical drive, logical drive, image file. So I'm just using physical drive. Yeah. So as you can see, these are the physical drives. So what are the physical drives? You can see here, right? So this is the partition and all. So these are the then you can export this image mounting, and export directory listing. So this is the FTK imager. Okay, so we will not cover that because it takes lot of time, and if I make an image of 4 GB pen drive, so it will be, acquire space like 100 GB. Okay, because it will recover all the previous deleted files and all everything. It will make image file. Okay, so that's all. So this is the AFTK image, right? So next one. What is the next one? So next one, autopsy. So autopsy is what? In detail examination. So whatever examination done in with that image file. So first of all, you need to create one image file of that uh, pen drive or whatever evidence is that. Okay, so that original evidence can be saved, right? So once you make that image, right, you can use that image to use in any software, any forensic software, right? Why you are not using normal softwares? Because in normal software you require physical pen drive, right? But in forensic softwares you can you can use that image to examine that, we can say, evidence, right? Image file you can use. So in autopsy you can use that image file, and you can directly examine that image, whatever deleted data is there, whatever size, everything. So everything in detail examination you can do using autopsy. Then we comes to the write blockers. So what is write blockers? Write blockers is what? So for example, let me just explain write blockers using an example. So listen here carefully, guys. For example, again you have one pen drive, right? And you want to connect it to the PC, but if your PC is corrupted, or if your PC is having some issues, then it can corrupt the pen drive. So there is one device called a write blockers. So you can connect that write blocker here, and you connect your pen drive to the write blocker, so that it can save the pen drive and safely transfer the data. But this system cannot harm the device, main device cannot be harmed. So it's called as a write blocker. So it blocks pen drive from writing information or changing the information, right? So it maintain the integrity also, and it maintain the health of that pen drive also. Okay, yes. Then we will say, we are seeing a digital forensics, not a medical forensics, so please make it carefully. Okay, then Wireshark. What is Wireshark, guys? Wireshark is a network analysis tool. Okay, so network analysis means what? Whatever. So as we all know, networks forward or transfer in a packets, right? Network transfer in a packets. So what that packet contains, so we can analyze that packet using Wireshark. Okay, so if I have Wireshark, then I'm just showing to you. 1 minute, guys. Let me just give me a sec so that I can wire shark. If I have, then I think yeah, it's not there. Just installing it. Yeah, so I will install, and after installation we will just see that. Okay. Yes. Okay. So let it install, then we can move forward to the next topic. Okay. So let it install. So I have not installed it. Okay. Yeah. So next topic we will cover. Next topic is a volatility. Volatility is also software which used for a Windows forensic. Windows forensic means what we have already covered that we can use a pen drive to analysis, right? But what if you use what if you find a computer system on the crime scene, then how you will analyze that? First of all, you will create an image using ftk imager. After that, you can use volatility so that you can do the full Windows forensics, like directory, ram, storage, and everything. You can just research, right? Or we can say analyze, right? Then we can say virus total. Virus total is the online virus checker. So if you might know about that. Okay, so let me just clear it to you. So if you search on Google virus total, right? If you search on Google virus total, right? So this will be site. This is the site will be there, right? Yeah. So this is the online virus scanner, we can say, right? If you upload any file, you can check whether this file contain virus or not. Okay, if you download any software from the internet and you want to check that whether is the software having any issues, or having any virus in it or not. Yes, because it has hundreds of antiviruses on that server, so that you can check all antivirus through. Okay, so I'm just checking. So we will use any files. For example, I'm just using any file like this one. Okay, so I'm just using this one. Yeah, so and just confirm upload. Yeah, so this is how you can upload it, and you can check the is it checking it, this file is safe. Okay, so if that file found any virus, then it will detect here. The file is clean, okay, but if the file having any issues, okay, so I'm not I'm not ready to take that risk to store that file in my PC. Okay, but I'm just showing you how you can check. Okay, so you can just check it's a safe. 64 antiviruses already scanned. So antivirus like Avast, AVG, then you can say some of the known antiviruses like Quick Heal. Right. So you can see all the antiviruses are present in at that site, and you can check all this. Not only files, also you can check other things like uh, link. Also you can also upload any URL so that you can check this URL safe or not, or you can directly check domain, IP address, URL, or file hash. You can directly check. Okay, so this is also a useful tool in a forensic investigation. Okay, after that you can say Multigo. Right. Let's see our Wireshark is installed or not. Yeah, it's installing. Okay. So after that, you can see Multigo. It's used to extract the hidden information. Okay. So let's see how it works. Okay. So first of all, this is the Multigo tool, guys. Okay. And if I'm investigating about our website like a technohacks.co.in, then this is the UI. So I will just check here. Uh, I'll just type www.technohacks.co.in. Right. So I'm just investigating about the website here. Right. Yeah. So I'm just investigating. Yes. Right. Then I'll just enter, and I'll right click here, and I will see web technology. What are the technologies this website is built? Okay. So I will just checking. When we click on it, you can see, guys, the it will give us the list of the technologies this website is using. As you can see, this is the SSL protocol. SSL protocol. SSL means what? Secure socket layer, right? As you all know, might know about that. Okay, so it's using JavaScript, SSL, JavaScript. Then you can see WhatsApp is also integrated with it, widgets, right? Payment is also integrated with this website. Okay, so you as many things you can see. Okay, after that, if you want to see what are the email address, if you want to find any email address from any company, then you can see you can just search here and email addresses. Okay, so you can just find the email addresses of any organization, any okay. If you want to find an HR email address of any organization, you can use these tools. Okay, so again I'm repeating, guys, do not use these tools in a wrong way, because this is all for informational and educational purpose only, right? So Let's see whether I'm able to find the email address or not. Yeah. Okay. So wait for a while. So it will just give you the email addresses. Okay. Yeah. Yeah. It will give you. Yeah. So as you can see, these are the email address info.technox@gmail.com, right? So yeah, it gives email addresses also, right? Interesting, guys. If interested, if you found it interesting, please type interesting in chat box so that we can just look many tools like this. Okay, interesting or not? Yes or no? Yes or no? Everyone. Okay, पसंद आ रहा है? हैकिंग इज इंटरेस्टिंग ना? फॉरेंसिक इज आल्सो इंटरेस्टिंग गाइस, सब कुछ इंटरेस्टिंग है। अगर आप करते हो तो बहुत अच्छे से आप सीख जाओगे इस चीज को, हम बताएंगे सब कुछ चीजें, ठीक है? ओके, चलो चलो नेक्स्ट टॉपिक की तरफ चलते हैं। सो लेट्स मूव फॉरवर्ड टू द नेक्स्ट टॉपिक। ओके। Yes, yes, great, great. Thank you so much. So much energy, guys. Thank you so much. Yes, so we will just go with the next topic, which is a deep sound. Okay, so OSINT we will cover later. At the end of this session, we will, sorry, at the end of this topic, we will cover OSINT. Okay, so let's turn the deep sound. Deep sound is what? You can analyze the audio and video file investigation. You can do the audio and video file investigation using deep sound. Okay. I'm really sorry, guys. It's not possible to all. It's not possible to do the practical on all tools. There are a lot of tools. There are hundred of tools. Okay, so if that is possible, then I will be just arranging any other training session for you. Don't worry. But those who already joined our training, they might know that there are many people joined from our live batch, right? Yeah, Umesh is there, and then Rishikesh is there, right? So. So they might know that. Okay, isn't it, Rishikesh? Yeah. So it's not possible to cover all top, but I will do cover maximum tools, guys, because that's why this session is total. I'm just covering the practical. Okay, yes. So there is a quick stego tool, which is a steganography analysis. So what is steganography, guys? Steganography. So let me just explain you. Steganography is what, guys? Steganography is hiding information behind image, इंफॉर्मेशन बिहाइंड इमेज। मतलब क्या, आप किसी भी इमेज फोटो के पीछे अपना मैसेज छुपा सकते हो। ये कब काम आता है? जब भी कुछ कोई मतलब ये कोई अटैकर हो गया, या फिर जिसको सीक्रेट इंफॉर्मेशन शेयर करना होता है किसी के साथ, राइट? सो इट्स ऑल यूज टू सीक्रेट इंफॉर्मेशन शेयरिंग। तो ये सीक्रेट इंफॉर्मेशन शेयरिंग के लिए होता है। इफ यू आर वर्किंग एज अ फॉरेंसिक इन्वेस्टिगेटर एंड यू फाइंड एनी इमेज, so that you can find the text or message behind that image using steganography. Okay, and uh, what is the tool for it? And this is specially used by the raw CID or CBI, right? So they use that to find any crime and all. Okay, so this is the quick stagger tool. There are many tools, guys. There is no any specific tool for that. There are many tools. Okay, so we will just having that. After that, OS forensic, which is also called as the father of forensic tools, right? So it's a all-in-one tool which can recover data, hash, and many more investigations like this, right? So this is the OS forensics tool. So this is a very big tool, and these are all it can do various type of forensic investigation. We can say all in one tool, right? Uh, After that, our remaining topic is OSINT. OSINT is what? Open source intelligence. Means what, guys? Open source in open source intelligence means what, guys? You can use open source. First of all, let me cover what is open source. Open source is a free to use tools. Free to use tools. So you can use many open source tools to do your investigation, right? So let me introduce you OSINT, so that so how to use OSINT. So let me just introduce you. 1 minute, guys. Let me just the browser. Yeah. So if you search OSINT on Google, right? OSINT framework. So that if you click on that, after that you will find OSINT framework. In that, various type of tools are present there, right? If you can see, if you want to find a domain name, if you want the IP, if you want to uh, find out information about social networks, instant messaging, people search engine, dating, telephone numbers. So there are lots of options. So if you go to the email address, then you can see, click on then email search, common email format, email verification, breach data, mail blacklist. Right. So lots of things are there, guys. Lots of things. Okay. So these are the all open source tools you can use. Okay. Digital currency, metadata, archives, and all. Okay. So public telephone numbers, like these are the for telephone numbers. Then you can free Mr. number, everything, num spy, various things are there, guys. The caller ID test, right? So that who called is also one of the popular tool. When you click on it, you can get redirect to that number, and once you enter any number, you can search that. Okay, so it's Germany, Luxembourg, Indonesia, right? So there are lots of things, guys, so that you can. So just use this information, like use this website osintframework.com, so that you can use it. Okay, interesting, everyone. What about this practical session, guys? Are you enjoying or not? Yes or no, everyone? Enjoying or not? Okay, great, 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 great. Thank you so much for your reply. So your reply motivates me to teach you something good and better and more, right? So yes, yes. Yeah. So our remaining topic is the Wireshark. I hope it's get installed, but it's not installing. Okay. So keep it as if it get installed, then we will just see. Otherwise, I will just show how Wireshark works, right? So Wireshark. Let me just put some ideas about Wireshark. Okay. So the UI will be like this, guys. 1 minute. Let me just open that image. Where is it? Yeah. Here, okay. Yeah, so this will be these are the packets. Where what is the source of that packet, that IP address? What is the destination of that IP address? What is the here? So once you open that, you can find all this information about the packets. Okay, so this is used for a network analysis. Okay, so we will just go to the next topic right now. Okay, so we have all covered the forensics tools, various types of various types of tools are there. Okay, so please ask your queries at the end of the session, as I already told, guys. Okay, so please wait. Okay, okay, yeah. So I'm just closing it. So it's not getting closed. Okay, so let me just. Okay. I think there is some issues. Okay, no worries, guys. Okay, so what is the chain of custody? Okay, so whatever things we have seen up till now. So when you are doing investigation, जब आप investigation करते हो ना, तो उस सब चीजों के आपको documentation रखना पड़ता है. Documentation in the sense, whatever things you are doing, like for example, यहाँ पे देखो कुछ example मैं दिखाता हूँ. So I'm showing some examples. Like this is the evidence chain of custody form. Okay, where you can write a case number, you can reason, then you can say case number, item number, evidence type, then you can say model number, serial number, content owner, content description, everything. You can just creation method, hash value, creation date, forensic agent, who is the forensic agent. So you can just write it like your name, right? So you can just forensic agent contact information. So you can just enter your contact information. Okay, this is the legal document, guys, because whenever you are doing a forensic investigation, then you can just see that there are lots of things you need to do, right? And everything is really really precious, and we can say these are very important things. And there is another part of chain of custody. For example, I'm doing a chain of custody, and this is a tracking number one, and date is today, and time is this one, and I'm naming a title as I found pen drive. I found pen drive, then I will just signature here. Received by. Then who is received by? Then their name and signature will be there, and reason for the change. So reason for the change. So I receive. I recorded, or I analyzed it. Okay, so this is how you can just fill a chain of custody, and this document is very much important for the court, we can say, right? So because this all these things are very much important in court, right? So getting bored, guys, no worries, we are now moving towards the practicals, right? Yes. So How many of you are waiting for the practicals? We are already doing practicals, but there are some practicals which are missed yesterday, right? So we will be just doing some attacks right here. So first of all, we will see brute force attack, right? So what is brute force attack, guys? Brute force attacks means what? So for example, अगर आपके पास ऐसा कुछ है, फॉर एग्जाम्पल अगर आपके पास यूजर नेम एंड पासवर्ड वाला कुछ लॉगिन पेज है, वहां पे आप करना चाहते हैं, ठीक है? If you this is the login id and password, okay, and if you want to log in it, then you will prepare one word list means what? There are lots of passwords. So for example, one Aman is there, right? So we will be seeing Aman at the rate 123. Aman's vehicle number is 1144. Okay, so we will see Aman at the rate 1144, right? Then Aman's name, Aman's whatever Aman's girlfriend's name, everything we will enter here. We will make maximum combinations. There is tool for it. Don't worry, it's not a manual. Then you can you can do it manual also. Then you can use this word list, and that tool will be using this word list and try it one by one. Okay, try it one by one, and when it found it, it will just give you the password, correct password. Right. So it's called as a brute force attack. It's called as a brute force attack, so that you can just use it, use a word list, and you can directly. So we cannot try because it's illegal. But I will try on some one demo site. Okay. So I'll be trying on demo site so that you will get an idea how you can do the brute. So tools we are using for it is a sorry, Burp Suite Professional. Okay, and site we will be using is a normal, we can say normal site, like for example, test PHP one hub we are using. Okay, so we are using one hub right now, one web test PHP login page. This is a this is a testing page from Acunetics. Okay, yeah. So as you can see, let me just show you. This is a testing page, guys, and as we all know, this is a test. The sign up is disabled, and please use username test and password test. So we already know that password is test and username is also test, but we are just testing our attack, right? We are not hacking it, we are just testing our attack, whether our attack is successful or not. Okay, yes. So this is the username we already know, this is a test, and password also we are, just assume we don't know the password. Okay, so we will just write a test here, and in password we will write anything. Okay, so I'm writing anything in a password. Okay, and when I time to log in it, okay, when I try to log in it, so it's not login. Okay, so if I use test and password test here, and I'm trying to log in it, then you can see it's get login, hacker1 test, right? So it's get login, right? So what we will do, so we will just get log out it, and log out, get back soon, then we will see home. Yes, so we will just get back to it. Yeah, here, yeah. Okay, so we will try our login, guys. Okay, so we will try our login right now. Yes. So what is we are doing? We are using Burp Suite for it, and in Burp Suite, what we can do intercept here. Okay, so I think it's not. We can show 1 minute. Okay, okay. So we are just okay. So we will make it intercept on. Okay, so intercept. So how this attack will work? Let me just explain. So here, login page means with it's our target, right? And word list, we have word list, we have tool, right? And that tool will be work as a interceptor means what? Whatever things will be go from our computer to the server, it will get it from that tool, and that tool will change that information, and it will send again and again. Then server, it doesn't know whether it comes from a user or tool. Okay, so when server is found it correct, if password is true, then server will respond, and that tool will be captured automatically, and it will show you password. So it will work like this. Okay, so we will just working. So now we are intercepting this, and we are entering anything here. Okay, Yes. So now we are entering anything and we are click on login. Okay. Once we click on login, whatever we have entered, we got it here. Right. So I'm just making it big if it's possible. I think it's not possible. Okay. So we'll just make it a big try. Okay. Yeah. So we can use a magnifier also. Yes. Yes, guys. So now you can see. As you can see here, whatever we have entered, it's a test and password. Okay. So we will just change it. Okay. So now we'll just change it and we can see that it will work or not. Okay. So I'm just, okay. So we are going to change it now. Yeah. So we will just do it in intercept response request and we will just send it to the intruder. Okay. After that, we have sent it to the intruder. Then we will go to the intruder and we want to change we want to test the password only. Okay, we will just select the password. Okay, we will select the password and make it add so that we can try the combination of password on that. Okay, so that after that we will go to the payloads. Okay, so we will select sniper here and buttering ram. Okay, and we will go to the payloads and whatever list we have done. Okay, okay, so you can directly enter from here also, and we can use list. So let me show you the list. What is the list here? Okay, so I'm just showing you. So we will just select runtime file here, and we will just use that payload, or we can say, yeah. So we will just use it. Yes, and we will just start the attack. Okay, so before starting attack, I want to show you what is that file contains. Okay, so just go to the file manager and 1 minute, guys. Let me just show you what that file contains. That file is a word list, guys. Okay. So once you go to the desktop, right? Once you open the payload, here you can see there are lots of passwords and test is also there. Okay. So as you can see, this is the notepad file, simple notepad file, guys. This is like this. Okay. So once you start the attack, you can see attack is started. And once the attack is done, then you can see it's finished. Okay. So now we can analyze the results. Okay, now we can analyze the results here. Okay. So we need to attack mode. 1 minute or discard it. Okay. And we will just start an attack. Okay. 1 minute, 1 minute. Yes. Yeah. So first try is unsuccessful. So we will just try it more. 1 minute. So we will just restart it. Okay. And okay, 1 minute. Yes. So we will just restart again because it's open from a while. So I think it's not. Okay, so I'm just opening the tool again. Okay. If it not work, then we will try it on a community edition also. Okay, no worries. Okay, just give me a minute, guys. I will just show you all the types and what are the targets and how we can do the attack. Okay, or we can use a community also. Worksuit community edition. Okay. So we can use anything. So we will try it on a community edition because I know many students have does not have that. Okay, so yes. 1 minute. Start the verb. Okay, so I'm starting it. Yes. So we will go to the dashboards. Okay, stopping it. Okay. Okay. So we will open that browser first. Okay. Okay. Wait. Browser is opening. Yeah. So browser is open, and this is the our tool. Where is it? Okay. Yeah. Okay. Here. Okay. So 1 minute. Let me just give me a minute, guys. Yeah. So here we will see test PHP one web. Oh, yeah. So here is a login page, and as I already explained. Okay. So we will be starting intercept on, and then we will see test, and we'll be seeing password anything. Okay. Then we will see login. After that, we will just see that this is the password we have entered. Okay. After that, we will just do this intercept and send to the intruder. Okay. Yeah, so I'm saying this here. So go to the intruder tab and select that as we already selected it, right? And after that, we will just go to the payloads. Okay. We will say sniper attack. Okay. And we'll go to the payloads and we will select that list, runtime file, and we'll select that list. So where is the payload? Yeah, so here is the payload, and we'll just start the attack. Okay. Yeah, so we are starting the attack. So as you can see, attack is started, and its status code is also showing. Okay. So attack is started, guys. As you can see, there are 89 passwords in that attack, and it's starting. Okay. So as we are starting the attack, please let it complete. So once it completed, then we can find the real password. Okay. We know a real password, but we want it from a tool, right? We know that real password, but we want it from a tool. So let's see our tool is giving our password is or not. Right. So it's an intruder attack. You can see intruder attack at testphp.vulnweb.com. This is a testing site. Everyone can use it. Okay, because we cannot try on any official because it's a business and it can be harm to them. Right. Yeah. So our attack is finished, guys. Right. So as you can see here, as you can see, once you click on the status code, once you click on the status code, you can see two status code 200. 200 means what? So let me just show you the status code. 200 means success code. So our success code here, and you can also check the length. All are the same length, but one is change is there. What is that? 6205. That this is the very big length, right? So here you can see test status code is 200. That means our password is this. Okay, password is this, guys. So test is our password. So we will just send request to the in browser and copy it, and after that we will just make it intercept off. Okay, and when click open and whatever things we have copied, once you enter here and enter, so now you can see we have successfully logged in, right? So this is the brute force attack, right? Liked it, guys. This was not possible yesterday because of network issue, but today I am on a LAN, so we will just have it, right? So liked it, guys. Yes or no, everyone? How was the attack? First, this is the brute force attack. How's it? Everyone liked it or not? Yes or no? Great. Okay, you can use it on any site. Okay, there is more time taken process to the brute force, right? Yes, but if you use a burp suit professional, it will not take that much time. Okay, and we have all the premium tools. Okay, as we are working since a very long time, so we have all the premium tools. As you all know, we have burp suit professional, but due to some network and stream is also going on, so that's why it's not possible. Okay, so next thing is the OTP bypass. So what is OTP bypass, guys? OTP bypass is what? OTP bypass means you can log in without OTP. Okay, you can log into if any site is found. Okay, so let me just introduce or explain the concept behind the OTP bypass. Okay, so first of all, you enter login ID and password, right? First of all, ID and okay, 1 minute. What is this? Yeah, yeah. So you enter ID and password, right? And after that, when you register on any site, for example, you are registered on facebook.com, you enter your ID, you enter your password, then again it asks OTP, right? What if you if I can if I know the OTP, then I can register. But if not, then I cannot register. But we will bypass this OTP if that site has that OTP bypass vulnerability. Okay, so we have one site which has a OTP bypass vulnerability. So we will create one account. Okay, we will create one account using that tool. Okay, burp only. Okay, and we will be doing OTP bypass. So here I will create one account using uh, any random number. So who want to give their number so that we can create account with their number without OTP. ओके, सो हम उसके नंबर से हम करेंगे। अगर कोई चाहता है कि उसके नंबर से हम अकाउंट क्रिएट करें, वो ओटीपी मत दो, ओटीपी हमें मत देना, ठीक है, लेकिन हम उसके अकाउंट से करेंगे। हु इज इंटरेस्टेड गाइस, प्लीज लेट मी नो इफ यू आर इंटरेस्टेड। कौन है इंटरेस्टेड अभी? Who is interested to give their numbers? We will create live on screen, so I'm commenting it live, so it's yes. If anyone is interested to give their number, we will create account using their number. Okay. I will enter any random number. Okay. Yes. So one site is there. Okay. One Bandru Lakshminath. Okay. So one person given their number. So we will see. That site is the Royal Enfield site. Okay. So we will just create one account. We are not doing any illegal things here. We're just try to create one account right here. Okay. So we will just try right now, and let's see, guys. Okay, so we will just create one account, create account, and one person is given their number, as you can see on live also. Okay, so we'll just copy their number, and we can write number, name anything, ABC, XYZ. Okay, date of birth, anything we can enter, and email we can also enter anything. Okay, we can enter female, male. Okay, so I think he's a male. Okay, yes, and password we will enter anything like pass at the rate 123 something. Okay, so pass at 123 password I have entered. Okay, after that you can see mobile number. So one person is given their mobile number. So I'm just copying it and pasting over here. Okay, but pasting is not possible. So we'll just enter 8019. Okay, 60 50, 60 50, and 78. Okay, so this is the number. Please don't give a OTP here. Okay, so accept and create account. We will be creating your own, right? Okay, so after that, let's see, guys. We are able to, okay, so successfully submitted. Now it's time for OTP. Okay, so that person might get OTP. Okay, so don't send OTP here. Okay, so we will just check. Okay, so they will get my OTP. So now we will turn on the intercept. Okay, so if you enter any OTP here, then when we submit, so you can see, guys, this is the enter a valid OTP. Okay, so this is the live side. Okay, so what we will do, we will resend the OTP now. Okay, okay, so we will resend the OTP now. OTP sent successfully. Okay, after that, we will turn on the intercept. Okay, and we will write any OTP like 0000. Okay, we are not entering real OTP. You know that 00 will not be OTP, right? So here you can see, and once we click on submit, so request will be given here. Okay, so we will just start here, and we will just see 000. Where is 000? Right? Yeah. So we will just check forward, forward. Yeah. So you can see, guys, what this user entered 000, and username is this. Okay. Yeah. So what we will do? Okay. So we will just intercept respond this request. Okay, and we will just forward it. Okay. So here 404 error will be there. So we'll just forward it. Just check for the 404 error. We are entering wrong OTP. So it will give 404 error, right? So we will see where is the 404 error. So yeah, so one match is there. So see here is so this is please enter valid. So we will change this, and we will change this to the we will change it to the 200. That means success. And This false statement we will change it to the true. That means we will saying user that, and we will just forward it, forward it, and intercept will be off. After that, just see guys here, user account successfully created. As you can see, you can edit profile here. Account is successfully created here. You can see contact details, number is all verified, right? Address details we have not. So ABC XYZ number is already entered. Okay. Yes. So those who given the number, please delete this account. Okay. After that, this account is created using your number. Okay. So how is it, guys? OTP with the, we have successfully bypassed the OTP. Okay. Yes. So you liked it or not? Yes or no, everyone? Yesterday, this practical was not possible, but today we done it, right? Yes. So we have successfully created account, and I request who's provided that OTP. So please delete your account. No worries. We are not doing anything wrong. So I'm just logging out. Okay. After that, I will not able to log in it. Okay. So we have just logged it out. Okay. Yes. So I'm just closing it, and after that, I'm closing the worksuite as well. We have successfully done the attacks. Okay. Yes. Yes. Great. Great, guys. Great. Okay, so another thing is the data recovery. So we will seeing what how we recover the data. Okay, so we are a TechnoHacks Solutions Private Limited. We are providing various types of solutions offline and online also. So one of the service are is the data recovery. So how we do that, and how we you can do the data recovery, the forensic investigation, or any ethical hacking. Okay, so how you can do that? Okay, so first of all, we will see here. You can see I'm having one pen drive. Okay, so this is the pen drive, and as you can see, this pen drive doesn't have anything. Only one file is there. This is the pen drive, Sandeep 16 GB. Okay, and it has only one file, which is a day two RPPT. Okay, 2 days PPT. Okay, yes. So how you can see here we will do data recovery, and whatever files I have deleted previously, there are lots of certificates, lots of files are we have already deleted. So we will just try to recover it. Okay, so for that we have a tool like mini tool partition wizard pro. So as I already told you, we have everything pro. Okay, everything in a pro. Okay, so just click on data recovery. After that, select that pen drive. So you can see Sandeep 16 GB. This is the pen drive. Once you start once you click on a scan, so it's scanning. Okay, so as you can see, raw files, JPG graphics. So it's scanning, guys. As you can see, there are lots of files are there. Yeah, so you can see there are lots of certificates, as I already told you. Okay, yeah, so these are the certificates, and if I recover it, recover, okay, and where I want to store it right there. Okay, yes, so recovering that image, one recovery completed. Okay, there are lots of files, guys. As you can see, 307 files are scanned. Okay, but we will not do that. We will just check it out. So this image is successfully recovered. Okay. Yes. So this is the power of recovery, guys. Liked it or not? Yes or no, everyone? Everyone. Okay. 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 So this is the recovery, and these are more. These are so many tools, guys. Not that much. These are hundred of tools we deal with every day, because those who are from our live batch, they know that they know all the tools, they have all the tools. Okay, so I cannot reveal because you guys will directly send them messages. Okay, yeah, so we will just move forward to the next topic. Okay, so uh, interesting. Okay, so I'll be sharing attendance link at the end. Those who are come for attendance, please do recovery again. We have time limitation, guy. You can just watch it that YouTube session again, because it will be boring for the most of students. Okay, so you can just because it will be on YouTube itself. Okay, yes. So recovery is still going on. We can just recover another image, recover it. Yes, okay, recovered successfully. Another image we can recover, and we will store it to Sandeep 16 GB. Yes, and once you view on that file, you can see the both files are successfully recovered. Okay, so this is what I can do. Okay, so I will just closing this. I will just stop the recovery. Yes, I want to stop the scan. Yeah, so I will just this. Yeah, there are lots of tools we have. Okay, yes. So cybersecurity is this much interesting field, guys, and I will tell you roadmap and how you can do this thing. Okay, so after that, top highest paying cybersecurity jobs. Okay, cybersecurity is not about thrill, not about only passion. It's about career, guys. So yeah, as you can see, there are lots of things you can do in the cybersecurity. There are lots of jobs. There are lots of jobs will open in future. Okay, yes. So as you can see, here you can see CISO job is there, cybersecurity engineer. As you can see, no need to explain. You can see that on a screen how much the top five highest paying cybersecurity jobs, and you can just convert it into Indian rupees, and you will be shocked. Right. Yes. So there are lots of jobs also. There are like network engineer, information security analyst, security analyst, information security auditor, information security crime. If you want to just these are the basic and these are the high speed. Okay, so yeah, so most of the students asking about the roadmap to learn the cybersecurity. If you want to learn the roadmap, please type roadmap in chat box, guys. Very exciting, and these are the very exciting things. And if you want to learn the cybersecurity, I'll be telling you the secrets of cybersecurity, roadmap of the cybersecurity. If you want to start it, please type roadmap in a chat box so that I can share you the roadmap of the cybersecurity, how you can start, how I started, how my team members started, how our experts are started. So I will be just sharing you the same thing. Okay, roadmap. And don't worry, guys, I'll be sharing both things, like those who are not able to pay. Okay, not able to pay so much salary to the tuitions, and also they can do self learning. So how they can do, so I'm just sharing the secrets. Okay, yes. Okay, so yeah, so roadmap. Okay, so roadmap. Cybersecurity is not about tools, not only about the things. Okay, so these are all about the core things. Like for example, you can start with the computer fundamentals. First, you need to strong the computer fundamentals, because tools are not enough, guys. If you just know the tools, and if you copy my tools and copy my steps, you will be not become a cybersecurity expert. Okay, you need to study the computer fundamentals first, so that you can understand what is directory, what are the files, what is file system, what is the directory structure. Everything you will be just knowing, so that these are the computer fundamentals are very much important. Right, like we have changed the 404 to 200. Okay, because these are the response code. Okay, as you all know, 404 error, you all know, right? 200, why you don't know? Because you are not studied it. So for 200 is a success code. Okay, so these things you need to study, guys. Otherwise, you cannot do the cybersecurity. Okay, yes. So first thing is the computer fundamentals. Strong your computer fundamentals fast. Okay, yeah, then we can say second thing is networking. Networking is a very essential things, guys. You can start with a very fundamental course, like a networking, basics of networking and all, and you can just do the networking seven. What is the seven layer architecture of in networking? What are the protocols in networking? What is the IP address, IP configuration? So everything you need to study the fundamentals of the networking. After that, OS. OS means what? Operating system. So you need to study the Windows, Linux, and one thing I forgot to mention is a Mac. Okay. Okay. So these are the things you need to study. So why these are important? Because OS is plays very important role. So let me just explain you the Linux OS. Okay. So in hacking we use the Kali Linux. Okay. Why we use Kali Linux? Why? Because let me just show you. This is the infrastructure of Kali Linux. So let me just log in with my Kali machine. Yes. So as you can see, guys, there are lots of tools present in a Kali Linux, so that you can do the cybersecurity. As you can see, if you want to, there are lots of tools. Okay. So as you can see, there are the information gathering tools. Okay. As we already studied yesterday, what are the steps of ethical hacking? Right. Vulnerability analysis. There are web application security. There is a work suite also, which we have already studied. There are lots of tools are already present in Kali Linux. Okay. Yes, and then database assessment, there is SQL map and all. If you want to do a password cracking, then there are lots of tools like John, Hydra, Hashcat, there is Skrill, then Netcat, OPH crack. Okay, if you want word list, for a word list, there is a tool, as I already told you. word list. This is the word list, guys. And if you want to do wireless attacks, then there are lots of tools like aircrack engine, fun crack, Wi-Fi cracker. If you want to hack a Wi-Fi, there are Wi-Fi cracking tools are also present. Reverse engineering is there. Then we can do exploitation tools like Metasploit and all. Okay. Then you can see forensic tools are also present, bulk extractor, then all everything are present in a Kali Linux. So this is the very much important so that you can learn it. Okay, so we already learned, so because our students are very much expert in that. So once if we do any trainings in the future, then I will also add my students so that they can just tell you that how they are expert in that. Okay, yes. So yes, so this is the Kali Linux, guys, right? Isn't it crazy, guys? If you found it a crazy, please type crazy in the chat box. Okay. Yeah, so I'm just shutting it down. Okay. So after that, if you found it crazy, please type it crazy in the chat box. Great. Okay. Yeah, I know it's been an hour, but I need to show you and share you everything about you guys. And I think you guys are not bored, right? Yes, because cybersecurity is a thing, field of passion, guys. This is the really about the passionate guys. Okay. Yes, crazy, crazy, so much crazy. Thank you so much, guys. Okay, yes. So then you can after OS, you then let's move forward and come back to the roadmap, guys. So we have studied about the talk about the OS. Okay, so now we can do cybersecurity basics. Cybersecurity basics like what is phishing, what is password cracking, what is the MITM attack. So everything about you can learn about the cybersecurity basics. Okay, after that you can do the lab practice. You can run the CTFs. After that you can contribute into bug bounty programs. Okay, after that you can do the CH certification. Okay, CH certification is one of the most recognizable certificate, and this is the global certification for cyber security. Okay, without this CH certification, you cannot do the cyber security job, because once you join the job, then also you need to do that certificate because company required it. Okay, so this is the very much important certification in cyber security. Okay, and if you want any information, then you can contact our support team. We also provide that. Okay, so don't worry about it. Yes. So here after that, once you completed all these steps, now guys, once you completed all these steps, then you can apply for the job applications, right? So these are the very important steps. So we have already covered a lot of things, and we will just move forward with the CH certification. So you might not know about the cybersecurity. Some of might know about the cyber CH certification. Okay. So yes. So what is CS certification? CS certification is a global certification in cyber security, right? Yes, CS certificate. Yeah, CS certification price I'll be sharing 1 minute. So, see, this is a global certification. Yes. So here you can say this is from a EC Council. EC Council is one of the cyber security company. Okay, and they provide the global certification, and it's a globally recognizable. Okay, and so many job application needs it. Okay. So what is the CS certification? So there is a syllabus, guys, in a CS certification. What is the syllabus? So we will see here. We will see here. So what is the CH certification modules? Okay, so here you can say introduction to ethical hacking. This is the total course, or we can say this is the total syllabus, guys. So you can see introduction about ethical hacking, footprinting and reconnaissance. That means you need to information gathering, then scanning, then enumeration. Then you can see vulnerability analysis, system hacking, malware threats, sniffing. Then we can say social engineering, denial of service attack. Denial of service attack means what? I have already explained yesterday. Session hijacking, evading firewall, anypods, ideas, IPS, right? Then we can say hacking web servers. How you can hack web servers? Then we can say after that here hacking web applications. Then you can see SQL injection. Then we can say here hacking wireless networks. Okay, hacking mobile platforms. Hacking IoT. Hacking IoT means what? You can learn a IoT device. You can hack a IoT device, right? Then cloud computing and cryptography. There are 20 modules in a CH certification. Once you complete that, you can successfully pass the CS certification exam, but it's not enough. Okay. Yes. So CS certification, there are lots of certifications like CS certification, CPANT certification, CHFI certification. Okay. So CS certification is a basic and entry level certification in cybersecurity. Then CPANT is especially for pen testing, so that it's very much important for the network pen testing and all. Okay. And then there is another certification like a computer forensic computer hacking forensic investigator. That means what? This is the forensic certificate, as we already covered at the start of this session, right? So this is the forensic investigations, right? Yes. So these are the sessions, and CS certification. This is the theory certification, and this is the practical certification. Once you clear both certification, then you can become a CH master. Okay. Don't rush for the attendance session, guys, because this session is all about sharing a knowledge. Okay. So I'll be sharing attendance link at the last of this session. Okay. So be there. I'll be sharing in 5 or 10 minutes. Okay. Oh, yes. So is CS certification really helpful in jobs? So just check out this. Okay. So I'm just sharing something with you. Yes. Just check out this post, which is on a naukri.com, security analyst, cyber defense center. As you can see here, guys, I'm just zooming it. In a job description, there is one thing like 1 minute. Here, you can see CH security, OSCP, and other industry relevant cybersecurity certifications. Knowledge is a plus. That means you will get a priority if you apply among 100 students. And if you only having a CH certification, you will be selected for that job, guys, because these certifications has lot more value. Okay, so this is the cybersecurity analyst uh, job description, and you can see that how much CS certification is getting a priority. Okay, so how many of you want to be hacker now? After learning roadmap, after learning cybersecurity, so who wants to be a hacker? How many students wants to be a hacker? Please let me know. Please type me in a chat box so that I can share many excited things for you. How many? Only 2 or 4 students. What about who want to be a hacker, guys? After seeing all these sessions and all everything, who want to be a hacker? Yes. Great, 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 great. Yes. So, what you can do, guys, whatever roadmap I have told you, okay, whatever roadmap I have told you, you can go through that roadmap. Okay. This is the way to, I have already shared the roadmap. I will share this PPT also. Okay. So, I will be sharing. So, if you want, can I share the dark web secrets? If you want, if you want to see how hackers hack and what is the dark web, if you want to be know about dark web, then please let me know. I can please type dark web so that I can share the dark web secrets now. These are the very important. Please type dark web if you want to share. If you want to know the secrets of hacking, right? Please type dark web if you want to be know the dark web. Dark web. Yeah, attendance I will be share. Don't worry. But before that, yes. So what is dark web? So you might have seen that so many students are ordering gun from dark web, ordering this from dark web, leak data on dark web. Okay, but why? Okay, okay. So many students are typing dark web. Okay, don't worry, guys. I will be sharing you the dark web secrets. So what is dark web first? Okay, so let me just clear it to you. Okay. I'll be taking next 5 or 10 minutes only, guys. Don't worry. Okay. So here, what is dark web? So there are three types of web, guys. Okay. So as we can see, this is the ocean. If you can consider. Okay. Yes. So here you can see this is the surface web. Okay, which normal person use. After that, here is a this is called as a deep web. Deep web means what? Protected web. And after that, at the end of the internet area, it's called as a dark web. Okay. As you all know, most of the company's data leaked on a dark web, right? Okay. So here you can see this is the surface web. This is the only 5 to 10% of the internet which normal person use, and this is a deep web and this is a dark web. Okay, so dark web normal person cannot access it. Okay, so dark web sites are dot onion sites. So what is dot onion sites? Onion sites, this means what, these are the secret sites and cannot be accessible using normal browser. Okay, so I'll be sharing with you, don't worry about it. Yeah, so I'm having some things with you. Okay, so I'm just opening a Tor browser right now. Okay. Okay, so this is a Tor browser and it's only accessible using Tor browser, guys. This is a Tor browser. Okay, establishing a connection and this is connected now. Okay, so while using this is a very these are not a simple things, guys. Do not try it. Okay, okay, because these are very shocking and very disturbing things. Okay, there are lots of illegal things done on dark web, as I will be sharing you. But again, I repeating you, do not use these things because this is not safe. This is not secure. Might be your computer can get hacked if you use dark web for more than 30 minutes. We are using full screen. Okay, so again, I'm not using it full screen. Like you can see, your computer can get hacked and your file access can get to the hacker. Okay, so there are a lot of things if you want to be so we can see here 1 minute. Yeah, so I'll be showing one dark website. Okay, which is a digital thrift shop. Okay, digital thrift shop. Once you click on it, 1 minute, let me just show you. So how this is the onion browsing. Dark web supports onion browsing. So what is onion browsing, guys? So as you know, onion, right? What is onion? Onion, हिंदी में बोलते हैं उसको प्याज, राइट? सो व्हाट ओनियन इज, सो ओनियन में क्या होता है, लाइक दिस स्ट्रक्चर, राइट? देयर आर लेयर्स ऑफ layers and layers and layers, right? So if dark web is here, then we are here. So there are many layers of security is there so that we can securely access the dark and multiple layers. Okay, yes, this is a layer we can say. Okay, so you can see this is the digital thrift shop. Okay, we are already able to access okay, so if I copy this, okay, if I copy this and try to using normal browser, you can see this site cannot be reached. But if I copy it and add it to the Tor browser here, so you can just see here. So you can see here, you can buy apps from here. You can buy books. You can buy bot data leak is also present there. Database is present here. You can buy guns from here. Okay, you can buy so many things like so many things like, guys. So here you can buy a so, and what is the other database bridge? So here you can see data bridge is also present there. And once you click on it, if you wanna buy a gun, okay. So do not buy because it will not come. Okay, but I'm just showing because this is for experienced people and many students are so you can see gun is for $3 only. Okay, so 240 rupees for gun. Okay. Yes. So these are the things, guys, and there are lots of things using a dark web. So, like for example, if you want to rent a hacker, okay, if you want to rent a hacker, so you can see, guys, these websites are very secure, and you can see there is no domain name. Okay, there are lots of big, and you can see here the how we are secure. So you can things here this browser, then VPN connected to the Finland. Then you can see here Germany, United States, and onion site layers also there. And then we are able to connect. So this is very much secure. There are list of and layers of VPNs are also there. Okay. एंड ऑल्सो वी कैन से इफ यू वांट टू रेंट अ हैकर अगर आपको किसी को मतलब हैकर को किसी सुपारी देनी हो, ठीक है, देना मत क्योंकि आपका पैसा वेस्ट हो जाएगा, कोई घेरेगा नहीं क्योंकि दीज आर द थिंग्स फॉर इलीगल वंस. You do not try it. I'm just showing it for educational purpose. Do not try it as it, guys. Okay, so as you can see we are going through the layers of hacking and we are reached to the rent hacker. Okay, so as you can see, a small job example, email and Facebook hacking, it cost you 25 euros. 250 euros, right? A multiple job, large job like running people, website hacking, then it will be 500 euros. Large job takes. So these are the rent a hacker. You can rent a hacker. Okay. So I'm just closing it right now. So this is the dark web, guys. Who it find it crazy? Please type crazy in chat box. How's the dark web, guys? Crazy? Yes or no? This is the dark web, and I'm accessed, and in 5 minutes I close it because I know it's dangerous. And do not try it, okay? And those who want to try, okay. So we also teach students how to access dark web, but I will suggest you do not follow the YouTube and directly try, okay? Because there are lots of precautions are there, okay? Yes, okay, yeah. So yeah, so we can okay, so we will just show the who want to be a hacker. So let's me. So if you want to be a hacker, guys, so now I have already told you the roadmap here. Okay, so I have already told you the roadmap. So you can just follow this roadmap, guys. Who want to be a hacker? Okay, so go through these all the steps. Okay, and it will around take 4 to 6 months. Okay, and if you want to be if you want to get us trained by me, who want to be make me mentor, please type mentor in chat box. Those who thinks that I can teach you, please type mentor in chat box. Who want to learn from me, please type me in the chat box so that we can see that if you guys can please type mentor if you want to be learn from me more. This is the end of the session. Okay, so a session will be end in 5 or 10 minutes more. Okay, attendance share I will be sharing, don't worry. Yes. If you want me as a mentor, then please type mentor in chat box so that we can just share you the next thing. Okay. How many? Yeah. So I can make you hacker in next 2 months only. I can make you hacker in 2 months only. Okay. So those who want to be learn from their those who want to be self learn, okay, they learn from their self only, then they can follow this roadmap. Okay. I'm not here to forcing you to get my mentorship. Okay. Here just you can go with this flow because we want to be make a my target is to make a 10,000 Indian hackers. Okay. And yes, so my short term goal is that, and my long term goal is making 1 lakh Indian hackers, so that we can make a strong, we can make a strength of our country, right? So it will be yes. So if you want to be mentor, guys, so we are launching one program. Okay, so again you will be saying that it will be fee. Yes, there will be, but if you want to be learn by yourself, then you can follow this roadmap. You can use any free resources and you can do. Okay, so mentorship fee and everything I will be sharing. So we are launching, guys, so we are launching certified ethical hacker training. So all the CH certification, all the what are the modules will be learned with internship. We are launching the certified ethical hacker training with internship duration for 2 months, and it's starting from 1st of June. Okay. Yes. So it's starting from 1st of June. So it's not only certified ethical hacker, guys. We are train you with a certified ethical hacker plus digital forensics also, as I already told you. Okay, so here you can see syllabus is all CH modules plus digital forensics with all premium tools. Okay, those who are asking about the all premium tools now, share me the burp suite pro, share me the data recovery software pro, so everything will be shared with that mentorship. Okay, so all CH module, digital forensics with all premium models. And if you want a syllabus link, then you I'll be sharing WhatsApp group only. Okay, don't worry about it. And then we can see mode, online and offline mode are also available. Okay, yes, foreign can also apply for this internship. No worries about it. Okay, so it's a yeah. So here you can see mode of the training, online and offline as well. If you can come to the Nasik office, Nasik Maharashtra, then you can come to the offline training plus internship. If not, then you can join online also. Okay, so language will be Hindi plus Hindi batch will be also there, and English plus Telugu batch will be also there for a yes. So what will be the cost of this training? So Let me just show you. So it's not a 20,000, it's not a 15,000, it's not a 10,000, it's not a 8,000, it's not 7,000, it's not 6,000. It's only at 5,000. Okay, and this all comes with 100% money back guarantee. If you cannot become hacker, I will return your 5,000 rupees within 15 days. Right? So it's only at 5,000 rupees with all CH modules, ethic or digital forensic also with 100% money back guarantee. Installments are also available. Okay, how to apply, guys? If you want to be apply, fill the attendance form carefully. There is a option whether you want to be join the training or not. If not, then certificate will be given to you everyone. Okay, certificate will be attendance certificate will be given to everyone, no worries. Okay, so what is the syllabus for it? Okay, so what is the syllabus for it? So let me just show you the syllabus. So as I already told you, all CH syllabus is there. Okay, but let me tell you again. So syllabus will be, you can say, this is the about us. You can check our CIN number. This is the government registered company. Okay, yes, you can search CIN number, our CIN number on Google. You will find it. This is a legitimate IT institute, right? Yes. So here you can see this is the syllabus, and you can see become a professional ethical hacker with 100% money back guarantee. Okay. So like recording also, so also training, all tools, premium tools, everything will be given to you. Okay. And then syllabus you can see there are in CH there are 20 modules. Okay. But we are providing total 23 modules with forensics. Okay, so and more topics will be discussed in live class because some of the topics we cannot discuss here because due to YouTube policies we cannot discuss here. Otherwise, YouTube will delete our video. Okay, that's why we are not here. So CH certification. Okay, so we are providing CH certification training, and if you want CH certification, also if you want to give us CH certificate, then we will provide you uh, that voucher for that CH certification also. We can provide you voucher for the CH certification also, and we can make you the certified ethical hacker like Amarjit, right? Yes. So we can just you can see that, and I'll be sharing this PDF and everything with you. Okay. So I'll be sharing the PPT as well. Okay. Yes. So those who want to be a hacker, so please, I'll be sharing attendance form, and one there is one option. If you want to join the training, whether Hindi batch or English or Telugu batch, then you can just select that option. Otherwise, there is another option. You just want a certificate, then certificate will be given to you. Okay. Yes. Yes, CH exam is also come, but CH certification voucher will be there that you need to additionally purchase. Okay, so we will share about it. Okay, so in live class they will share it. But if you think that this is a very much, okay, so we have a one discount for you guys. Okay, if you are more than, so there is a group discount. We can call it as a friendship discount or dual hacker discount. So, combo hacker discount. Okay, so if two of the friends can get, if two of the friends or two or more of the friends want to be hacker, then you can make your hacker group with our discount offer, right? So what is the discount offer? So discount offer is that if two or more people in that group, then they can get 100% discount per head. Okay. Yes. So duration and everything will be shared with you. Okay. Yes. So duration will be 2 months. Okay. Per day 1 hour, 1 hour will be there. 1 or 2 hour will be there. Okay. Yes. So we can get 5 days a week and everything will be shared. Okay. So now you can ask your queries guide and I will be sharing. So those who have, okay, so select the option carefully, and those who will select the training module, then you will get another notification from us. Otherwise, if you want only certificate, okay, if you want only certificate, then select that option. All options are available. Certificate is free of cost and you will get on tomorrow evening. Okay, you will get it on tomorrow evening. So I'm sharing link for the certificate and application. Both links are same. Okay, you can fill the certification form, and the link for the this program, training plus internship program, is right there. Okay. Yes. So I'm just sharing the link with you. Okay. So day two attendance link is there. So I'm just sharing it with you. Yes. Now you can just fill it. Yes. Yeah. So foreign students can contact us and we will be guiding you how you can pay the fees. Okay. Yeah. We will be guiding you. Don't worry about it. So please fill the attendance form. Yes. So you can fill it. Okay. So here you can see. So I'm just guiding you. So if you want, so here, listen it, guys. So here you can see this is the option. Okay. And if you want to join this program, then you can see you can join. Yes, I want to join Hindi batch. If you want to join the English plus Telugu batch, then you can see you can tick this option. Otherwise, you can choose last option. Just send my certificate only, and certificate will be free, guys. Okay. So that's all. Now you have any question you can ask right now, guys. Yeah, dark web and every links will be shared. Every tools will be shared to you with my mentorship. Okay, everything will be shared. Okay, and I will also tell you how to access those links securely. Do not try it by yourself because these are risky things. Your PC may get compromised. Okay, yeah. So you can ask right now, guys. Okay, doubts. Sir, can take an remote access through Wixtego. No, we cannot get. It is a forensics tool, and it used for analysis only, not for the remote access. Okay, you can learn the RCE very good, so that remote code execution, so that you can inject virus in any file and you can share it to, so that it can get automatically executed. Okay, rest of the students can please fill the attendance link right here. Okay, and if you want my mentorship, yes, please fill that form carefully. Okay, other students can leave this meeting. Thank you so much for joining, guys. If you guys having any questions, you can leave. Otherwise, please fill the attendance form and just uh, you can leave. Okay. Yes. What is voucher price? CH voucher price you will directly pay to the EC council. This is only training fee, guys. 5,000. Okay. If you want to be, we will share everything. Okay, but we will give you at very low price. Okay, because we are partnered with EC Council, so we can give you at very low price. Okay, low price than market ever. Okay, yes. Please fill. Okay, so अगर कल की attendance नहीं दिया तो भी certificate मिलेगा. Okay, yes, you can get certificate for, but it's compulsory to fill today's attendance. Okay. Yes, because lots of students are not getting the links for a session, so we will just lose our flexibility. Data analyst का batch कब से start होगा? Data analyst batch, okay, it will start from after 10 or 15 days. If you want, then please contact to the support team. Okay, you will find support team contact on Google itself, or you can I will share on WhatsApp group also. Yes. If you have any question, you can ask right now, guys. Thank you so much for joining, guys. This was an amazing energy, and you guys are amazing. Thank you so much for joining, guys. This is very and if you have any more question, you can ask right now. Thank you so much. It was great, and you hear me for the 1.5 hour. This is the very great and very honored. I'm very honored with this. Okay, thank you so much. Sir, can I have a proctor test application background to share? Yes, we have to online. Yes, there is a proctor test. Can you please give some time to decide whether join course or something? Yes, you can get a time, guys, but course is starting from 1st of June. Okay, but we can give you flexibility to the 3rd of June. Okay, because course will started, but if you join late, we will share you the recordings also. Okay, don't worry. But course will start from 1st of June only. Approximate price for the CH voucher, we will share you. Okay, so it's totally depend on the current offer, guys, because we can provide you around 40 to 45,000. Okay, okay, thanks a lot. So we will share you. Don't worry. सर डेटा एनालिस्ट का सर्टिफिकेट अप्लाई करना था बट मुझे ऑफर लेटर नहीं आया. ओके ओके सो प्लीज कॉन्टेक्ट विद द सपोर्टिंग वी विल बी हैप्पी टू हेल्प. Sir, can you please repeat the OSINT? Yes, guys. You can just go to the visit the site osintframework.com. You will find everything. Okay, there is no need to teach OSINT. Everything. Is there any demo session? Demo session is this now. No demo session, guys, because you can watch this today's recording. The link will be same. Everything from start to end. You will be get to know about everything. No need to demo session attend. Okay. Can I know the application name? Yes, you can find the application and attendance link in the same link. Okay, you can just use this link. Yeah. So I'm just winding up this session, and if you have any questions, okay, you can just attend this session again, or you can just contact with the support team. Okay, thank you so much for joining, guys. This is Sandeep signing off from TechnoHacks Private Limited. Happy to for your growth. Okay, thank you so much.